Hello and welcome to the course on C Programming Learn to Code series. This is the 38th lecture of Unit 2, and in this lecture we will discuss about two basic input-output function, that is called getCharacter and putCharacter function. So let us understand it. So if you recall from the last lecture, we talked about your console input-output function, and I have categorized the entire available functions into two groups, that is called your formatted functions and unformatted functions. And in this lecture our focus is on getCharacter and putCharacter function. So what exactly the getCharacter function do? GetCharacter function reads a character from the standard input device. Here standard input device means your keyboard, from where the getCharacter function read a character when the user typed on it, then take that character and put it in a variable. And the putCharacter function write a character to the standard output device. Here the standard output device means your monitor. So whatever value present in a variable, that will be extracted or taken from that variable and displayed on the monitor or the screen. So the syntax of getCharacter function is looking like this. You have to specify the variable name where you want to store the value that is extracted from your keyboard, and you should specify equal to symbol, then you need to write the getCharacter function over here. So by doing this, this will happen. Suppose this is a keyboard and you typed something on the keyboard. Due to this line, the getCharacter function reads that character. Let's say you have typed C, let's say, then C will come to this variable name. Okay, so this is how the getCharacter function work. Means the getCharacter function reads a character from the keyboard, put it inside a variable. Okay, so here the variable is represented with var, means that is called var. Similarly, the syntax of putCharacter function is very simple. As compared to your getCharacter function, you need to specify only the putCharacter function, and inside that bracket you should specify the variable name whose value you want to display it on the screen. So in our case, if this var is the variable name, then we need to write putCharacter. Inside that bracket you need to write var. Then whatever value present inside this var will be displayed on the screen. So entire thing will look like this. Let's say this is your var variable. C is present inside it. Now if you want to display it, then you need to write putCharacter. Inside that bracket you need to specify the variable name var. Due to this, the function that is putCharacter will take or read this value and display it on the screen. Okay, so we are doing the same thing using printf and scanf also. So in the next slide, in the continuation of this video, I will show you two things. First of all, I will show you how to read a character from the keyboard using your scanf function. Okay, and then we need to display it using your printf function. Okay, similarly, we will show you using getCharacter and putCharacter function to do the same thing. So let us go to the VS Code, and there I will show you how it is done. Okay, so I have already written the structure of the C program, but I have already written the character ch also. Let us remove it first. Okay, so this is our structure of the C program. First of all, I will show you how to read a character from the keyboard through scanf function, then display it using printf function, and how to do the same thing with your getCharacter and putCharacter function. So to do it with scanf function, let us first declare a variable. Let's say I will declare character ch. Okay, now I want to read a character from the keyboard and put it in the variable ch. Then by using printf function, I want to display it. So how to do that? I will write something like this: printf, and I need to ask the user to enter a character. So I will write enter a character. Okay, then you need to put a semicolon over here. So by doing this, what exactly it is done? Enter a character means the entire line, that is enter a character, will be displayed. Then by the help of a scanf function, we need to read whatever character typed by the user. So how to do that? We should write %c then you need to write %ch. Okay, so that's all. So by using scanf function I have read that value. Now I need to print the characters value. Printf, you have entered %c comma your ch variable. Okay, the value of the ch variable. Okay, so let us save it. Now let us run it. You can see what it is asking. It is asking enter a character. So we need to type any character of our choice. Let me type the character y on it. So when I typed y and press enter button, you can see it is showing you have entered y. Okay, now let us understand it, which line comes from which what part of the execution. So to make you understand this, let me open my pen tool. So here you can see, so character cs, you have declared the character ch variable. So what happened exactly, due to this line, the compiler create a variable ch inside the memory and allocate some space for storing a character in it. Then due to this line, printf enter a character. Due to this line, this part get displayed, enter a character. Got it? But not the y. Y is not displayed. Only this part gets displayed. After that, the compiler will wait for the user to type something. So whenever the user type anything on the keyboard, due to this scanf function, that character is read. And in our case, what we have done, we have typed y. So y get read by the scanf will read this value y and put it where? It will put it inside the ch variable. So y comes over here. Okay. Finally, in the printf function, I have written you have entered equal to. So this part, due to this printf function, this part you have entered equal to get displayed on the screen. And finally, due to this %c and ch, the ch value is replaced at the place of %c and this y get displayed. Okay, so this is the entire execution of the program. That means we have successfully shown you how to read a character from the keyboard using your printf and scanf function and displayed it. Now let us do the same thing using your what it is called get character and put character function. So to do that, let us erase this program or delete this program. Then we will do the same thing again using get character and put character function. So to do that, let us declare character ch again. So I need to read, or it will be better to take the variable as var, because I have shown you the examples using the variable name as var. So character variable. Now what I am going to do is I will ask the user the same thing, printf enter a character. Okay, now after putting this, then I have to read the character by the help of get character function. So how it will be done, as you remember the syntax, we need to write the variable name, that is in our case it will be var equal to get character, then you need to put the bracket, then you need to simply specify the semicolon. Okay, interesting. Now what the get character function will do, now you can see we have removed the scanf function over here, which will require the %c and all, so that is not required. You can directly simply write var equal to get character. Okay, finally you need to print it. So to print the value, you need to write the printf statement again, printf you have entered equal to. Okay, then you don't require to put the %c and all. Just in the second line, what you are going to do is you have to use the put character function. Put character, inside this bracket you want to print the character which is present inside the variable name var, so you need to put the var variable over here, then put a semicolon. So that's all. So let us execute it and see whether the required output is coming or not. Then I'll explain which line is coming from which line of the code. So when I run it, you can see it is asking enter a character. Let us input the same thing, that is y. So when you press enter, you can see the output is you have entered y. Okay, so let us understand which line comes from the which line of the code. So when I'm declaring this character var, then automatically inside the memory a space is created whose name is var, and the second line is printf enter a character. So due to this line gets printed, enter a character then colon. Okay, so this colon is also printed. Finally, then next is var equal to get character. So as I have already explained, what is the use of this get character function? Get character function reads a character from the keyboard and put it inside the variable name var. So when I typed y, then automatically this get character function read this character, that is y, and put it inside the variable var. So y get come over here. Then the next line, that is you have entered equal to, will be printed. Due to this printf function, this part gets printed. And that the last line, which is called the put character var, will make, means the extract the value present inside this var, which is nothing but y, and displayed it on here. Okay, so this y will be displayed due to this put character var function. Okay, so that's all for the today's class. You understand it how to read character using two different way. So that's all. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.